Hello there, everybody. Mwahaha. This is my Halloween pumpkin. Do you want to take a size guess at the actual size of this marvelous pumpkin I've made? Mwahaha. I bet you wouldn't have thought that it's actually small enough to fit in my fridge. Yeah, fun fact, and you all may have guessed this actually, but this is not a literal pumpkin. This is actually an orange bell pepper. And I'm going to show you how on earth I made a jack-o'-lantern out of a bell pepper. Now for this little DIY session, you're going to need an orange bell pepper and a knife. The smaller you can go, the better. And by the way, always use caution when using a knife. And combine the two together, and we're ready to start our sweet Halloween adventure. Now this part is relatively self-explanatory. You simply go for a design on your pumpkin, albeit with this bell pepper, and frankly I'd say the simpler the better. In this case, all I did was simply use triangles for the eyeballs, and I just used a simple smiley face, which you could describe as a half circle, or the letter D as the mouth. And now, see, this is where I messed up, because, see, this is my first time ever doing this, so I made a pretty big mistake. I actually should not have done this, but I was, trying to capture that spirit of making a pumpkin, and usually we cut off the tops. But, yeah, see, this action is completely unnecessary, and I recommend you not do this. And as you're about to see, whoops, the top will not fit. And I mean, it still works, but I'd highly recommend not doing the action of cutting the top off, and especially not removing the seeds and filament. But either way, here we are. We've got a nice little jack-o'-lantern made out of an orange bell pepper. Hooray! And I sure hope that y'all have a very good Halloween. You all be good to yourselves. Peace, love, and understanding. And remember to follow the crow-winged black cat. I'm the scribe of Hobby Fostro. This is the channel of Hobby Fostro. And thank you so much for tuning into Hobby Fostro.
Thank you.